Hello my people, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be making real quick oven baked chinchin, and this is a healthy alternative for those of us trying to manage weight, eat and snack healthy. Yes, we're trying to manage weight, we're trying to eat healthy, still we want to snack, so this is a healthy option. So instead of deep frying in a lot of oil, excess oil, yeah, chinchin soaking up in too much oil, so we're just gonna pick this and have our chin for the snack. So in a bowl, I added all my dry ingredients mixed together to combine with my spatula, and then I added butter. So I mixed that till it formed like breadcrumb, and I went ahead to add my egg. Yes, I cracked in my egg and then mixed that together. Then I added water gradually till I formed a dough. So look at our dough, it's looking so beautiful, so handsome. So take it away. Okay, so I'll transfer to my work surface, and then I'll cut into something or a piece I can work with. So I'm just going to roll that out. So if it's sticky, just sprinkle some flour and then continue rolling. So after rolling, I'm just going to cut with my pizza cutter, cut into shapes. Then after cutting, I'll just transfer that to my line baking tray, and I'll be baking this in the oven till it's brown and it's looking crispy. So don't let it get burnt. Then while this is baking in the oven, after some minutes, just use your wooden spoon to do the same thing I'm doing here. I don't know what to call it. Should I say turn the chinchin? Yeah, so it bake evenly on both sides. Then your chinchin is ready. You can see this, it's looking so crunchy. Of course it's crunchy, it's delicious, it's sugar free, it's healthy, oilless chinchin. So let me know if you're trying out this recipe. Share your thoughts on this recipe. Tell me what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.